If you're a construction business owner working nights to update your JobTread, you didn't buy software, you bought another job. Most business owners think that buying software is automatically gonna save them time, but it doesn't. A bad setup turns JobTread into a multiple hour daily admin work. And the worst part is, you don't even know how many hours you're losing every week because it feels normal. It feels like the thing you have to do as the business owner, and now with this JobTread software. And in this video, I break down where time is wasted inside of JobTread and how we help JobTread users like you be able to fix this so you don't have to keep wasting all those hours away from family just to keep JobTread up to date. The real-time loss comes from repetitive tasks. It's not about not knowing the software. It's actually from the repetitive tasks that you have to do every single day. And it's also not even the big mistakes because of not knowing the software or not having it set up properly. It comes down to the little tiny mistakes, like the wrong line item in a cost group, fixing the budget because you forgot to put something in there, fixing cost items, searching back through conversations that probably didn't even happen in JobTread. They were either on email or your phone, and now you're trying to find those conversations, trying to find that file for the job because it's not in the folder where you wanted it to be, because the system just puts it inside the job and not the direct folder, because you don't have a system set up for your team to make sure to move that into the correct folder after doing a daily log, and updating change orders manually. While each task is simple and only takes a few minutes, that time adds up to hours every single week. And let's face it, sometimes even in a night, you're burning the midnight oil because you're trying to get all this done before you go to bed for the next day of work. That is piling up as well. And so the real problem here isn't that all these little things take up time, and that's not the only problem. It's that you don't actually have a dedicated system to make these things more streamlined. And you're the one that's doing it. So this is where our team can come in and really help you out. And what you can do on your own too, if you really wanted to, is building standardized templates. If you have a standard template, you're not gonna have to go back and remember that line item you forgot. Yes, you might take things away, but you're not going to have to remember that one particular thing that you needed inside your budget. You can automate notifications to let your clients know of updates rather than you having to send them a manual email based on different phases of your project. You can also, based on the schedule, send notifications to your project manager about ordering material and making sure that that's going to be on site, on time, based on the schedule. And you can have to-do lists that coincide with your schedules as well, so you're not having to tell the team or the project manager to make sure that this list of things got done, that punch-out list, it's already there, sent to your field crew because it's attached to that standard schedule for that particular job. These are all things that you can do with inside JobTread if you know how to do them. If you don't, that's where our specialist comes in to really help out. And the results from having a specialist set up your system or having your system set up properly is that your team now has a clear path to follow rather than trying to figure things out on their own every single project. And the real hidden benefit behind all of this is that it doesn't just save you time, it saves mental space. And as a business owner, when I'm actually able to hand something off to somebody on my team and not think about it, I can execute at a higher level on the things that actually move the business forward. That allows me to think about where we're trying to go and cast that vision more clearly and be able to make better decisions because I don't have to think about the day-to-day work, the work that needs to get done that we've already sold 3 months ago. So when your system works, your JobTread is set up properly, you're able to stop focusing on the day-to-day and start focusing on the future of your business. You can finally start running your business instead of chasing it. You can finally start being with your family and not being on JobTread at 9 o'clock at night, because we all know, while it's a great software, nobody wants to be on it that late at night. So if you're tired of being stuck on JobTread late at night and you want to learn more practical strategies to make your construction business run smoother every week, subscribe to our channel. We break down real systems that give back your time, not just more tools to manage.